Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be creating this red summery look here. I am using the VISEART palette right here. I did get this palette and these two lip colors in my BoxyCharm, so I am excited to be creating a look with it because I have not used either until today. So let's get started with this look. Alright, to start off this look, we're going to go ahead and prime. I am going to use Yanissa for the face primer. And for eye primer, I am using Urban Decay Primer Potion. Okay, so I do want to use some light contouring and concealer, and that is going to be my Private Society stick here. And it's going to be super light because when I go in with my foundation, it's just all going to kind of look like well blended, just that, you know, I want it to look like skin because I'm really trying to do a airy summer look. So as you can see, I didn't really blend out the contour at all, but I did blend out the concealer because, again, I'm going to go over it now and most of it's going to pretty much just disappear and look like skin. So I am going to use this Perfect Glow BB cream with SPF 30 from Pure Lease. So it's not really a true foundation, but it does give me plenty of coverage for what I'm doing today. Okay, so you can see that my skin looks pretty natural at this point. We are going in with brows. I'm going to start off with Private Society right here. Okay, so now I am going to use the Cream Shop Holy Brow and give my eyebrows a little bit more definition. So we're going to clean up the brows a little bit. I am going to use some of the leftover BB cream on the back of my hand to do that. Now that the brows are done, we're going to move into this palette right here. This is the VISEART Petit palette. Is it picking up? There you go. And what is this one? This is the VPP02 Petite Pro Duex. I don't know, I'm saying something wrong. I should really, you know, put glasses on to read these things. Anyways, these are the colors in the palette. And we are going to start off with this brown one right here. Okay, so I'm going to take the same brush because I want some of the brown to be blended into it, but I'm going to take this color right here because it's kind of a red coral color and go over the lid. Now I'm going to take this color right here, these two colors right here, and go back over it. This I'm going to use on the inner part of the eye, like this half, and then this one I'm going to use on the other, and I'm going to use it very lightly over the other because I want the color to show, but I also want the shimmer over top of it. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with these two colors and I'm going to do that same pattern under the eye, the lighter one here and the darker one here. So now I'm going to take this right here. This is Artist Couture. See right there? This is like kind of like a flaky gold. And I'm going to go over the top of my lids with this just a little bit to give it a little shimmer, a little bit of a gold shimmer. So I want to deepen the look of the red on my eyes. So I am going to use this color right here called Fine Wine in my waterline. And it is very much so kind of a red burgundy color. So it's just going to exaggerate the color on my eyes just a little bit. Okay, so now we are moving into top liner. We're going to use Luna Liner by Seraphine Botanicals. So now we are moving on to mascara. We're going to start off with Luna Magic right here. This is Va Pink. I guess that's what it is. Lash primer base. I'm just going to use it on my top lashes because I want that extra thick. And I am going to try a different mascara because the last couple I opened were not as full as I was hoping. So this is Medusa makeup with Witch Lash, and it's a thickening mascara. So hopefully that will give me what I am looking for. Okay, so now we are moving on to highlight. I am going to use So Susan Dream Maker. This is light shifting highlighting cream, and when it comes to creams like this, I put that on the back of my hand and I apply it with a brush. It just helps me control it and make it look better. If you apply it directly, it's okay. It just sometimes can be a little thick. I just generally like the back of the hand because it gives me much more control over the cream products. Okay, so now we are moving on to cheeks. I am using Trifle Cosmetics Cheek Parfait, and that is what it looks like. And you can see here, this is a red color, and we are going to dab that onto the cheeks and then rub it out. Last thing we are going to do for this look, we're not really messing with setting powder or spray because this is a summer look. I want it to be a little dewy for, you know, being outdoors, humidity, whatever. So the colors we're using these lip oils. These are from Tanizas, I guess. One is in Petal and the other are Plumeria Petals and Mahana Moon. Yeah, so it's basically this red color and this gold color, and I'm going to put this color on first, then I'm going to dab a little bit of the gold in the center to make it slightly pounty. And that is it of this look. This is my red summery look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think of this look down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.